What up, you minky monkeys? Dave here. Good day. Do you like my hat? Do you like my hat? I got this for Christmas. It's the one thing I really wanted. I fucking love it. But welcome back to Clankers and Kings. We are currently, just for the sake of posterity, today is the 29th of December, 2025. So we are in that strange little time between the Christmas and New Yearness that, I think most people would find themselves, drowned in chocolate oranges and leftover cheese and all kinds of other goodness. But I've decided to come into the office, my little office. You can't see it because I've got this lovely little background, which I made with AI. Watch the other video, put the link there. I don't know how to do that yet, but I'm trying to figure that out. But that is the point of today's video. I am trying to figure out how to do better at YouTube. And I'm, I've read a lot of stuff about it. I've looked online. I've kind of seen the things. I've seen the tutorials. I've seen all the goodness, all the advancedness of all the expertness. But do you know what? I'm wondering if AI can actually either give me some advice or, all right. I'm looking for a shortcut and I need some advice. I need some, if AI can. AI's probably got this because you know what we're talking about. I'm going to be having a look at ChatGPT and blah blah blah, and I'm going to try two different things today. I'm going to try ChatGPT and I'm going to try Claude. I'm going to see if they give me the same or conflicting advice, and then I'm going to do my best to synthesize. So I said it without tripping on my tongue. That advice into something a little more tangible, and see if we can do something. So let me share my screen. Boom. Right, give me 2 seconds and we will be there. Let's start with the older ChatGPT because I'm kind of in love with it a little bit at the minute. So I'm going to take the URL from my new channel, which you are watching. I mean, this is very meta. Boom. And the prompt I'm going to put with this. Okay, this is my new YouTube channel. I want 1,000 subscribers. If I could spell subscribers, that would be good. In the next month. Next month. Yeah, god damn it. So they can't stop human rubbishness in the next months. Please tell me the best way to achieve. Iqbal, achieve this. Right. Boom. Let's see what happens. All right. Whilst we're waiting for that, I'm going to move us over to. All right. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Let's move to Claude. Share. Get into Claude. Cut and paste. Okay, Claudie, do your thing. Right. Claude's in. Wait for Claude. I will now share this tab. Okay. Now let's see. And I can make this available if you want to kind of have a crack at this yourself, because I can share links, can't I, on ChatGPT. So it's an aggressive but achievable if I focus on speed, clarity, and distribution, not perfection. Okay, perfection, not perfection. I can do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll assume. Yeah, 0 subs, can post consistently. Content has a clear niche. This matters more than anything. Telling people how to do AI. Okay, cool. With personally in my work day to day. Okay, organic long form. YouTube growth alone is too slow. Short form plus external traffic. Aha, discovery, not polish. I like that. See, that's sound advice. That's solid advice. Okay, now before we get into all this sort of stuff, I'm now going to go back to Claude, or Jaunty Claude, and see what he says instead. Okay, so I will fetch your YouTube channel to see what you're working with and then give you a strategic plan. Okay, you can't access it. Well, why can't you access it directly? Okay, maybe that's a thing that it can't do. Give me solid strategies to reach 1,000 subscribers in a month. Achievable requires consistent, focused effort. Okay, well, taking a step back, that's, achievable, consistent, focused effort. Emphasis being on the word effort. So let's have a quick look at Claude's overview. Content strategy, frequently consistency, 3 to 5 videos per week. Okay, tangible. I quite like this advice. I want to tell them about the algorithm. Heavily favors channels that upload regularly. Focus on a specific niche. Okay, that helps the algorithm. Yeah, okay. Optimize, thumbnails. we've looked at that already. How to, 5 ways, very specific. Specificity seems to be the thing that people want to, see, and that's what's going to help with the Al Gore. See, no one's ever picked up the fact that it's Al Gore, Al Gore and his rhythm. That's going to be my next video, I think. Let's look at how can we make an image of Al Gore, getting in with the rhythm. Anyway, let's look at that. So content strategy, optimize every video, be specific, leverage shorts. Oh yeah, hang on, there we go. Please subscribe. Call to action, asking viewers to subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm gonna cut that in a bit. Let's try it a little bit more emphatically. Let's try this now. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, cool. Next bit, engagement tactics. Reply to every comment. Okay, yeah, well, it'd be nice to have a comment, so we'll see. Realistic timeline. Challenging, hit on viral content and leverage an existing audience. So again, this is similar to what I got from that overview from ChatGPT. Okay, use the external audience. So, I mean, I got a couple of Instas. I only posted at Christmas. I get a bit fed up with some of the social media stuff, apart from LinkedIn. And I think LinkedIn is going to be key to this. If I can push this on LinkedIn, then I think I can get a few subs. Okay. If I'm starting completely fresh, 300 to 500 subscribers might be more realistic with excellent execution. Excellent execution. Now that's a term, isn't it? Boom. Okay. Now it's pushing back on me. What's my channel about? This would help give you more specific advice for your niche. Right, let's park that one there and switch back to old chatty man. Okay, so okay, summarizing. Okay, aggressive but achievable. So we've got a lot more brevity here from ChatGPT, I think, at least in the opening bit, but it's more applied advice rather than generic advice, which Claude was just giving us a second ago. So what are we looking at here? Short form plus external traffic is the fastest path. Yep. Discovery, not polish. Yeah, we've seen that already. Okay, people subscribe only when they instantly get it. Valid. So why should someone subscribe after seeing one video? Okay, immediately. Channel banner, one clear promise. Okay, daily game content, clips, an insane moment. Who's it for? So basically optimize it within the channel itself. Okay, I'm going to review how I've done that. To what extent I've done that, I don't know. I can't remember. I did a little bit. Okay, so we need to be obvious, really freaking obvious from the outset. If your niche isn't obvious in 5 seconds, growth will stall. I mean, 5 seconds seems like a big ask to me. But again, if this is the path, then we should follow the path. Okay, posting plan, 2 to 3 shorts per day. 15 to 35 seconds each, vertical 9:16. Is that in the Bible? I don't know. Vertical 9:16. Thou shalt post 2 to 3 shorts per day, 15 to 35 seconds each, fast pacing snow intros, he said unto thee. 60 to 90 shorts in a month. I mean, why not? Let's have a crack. What makes a short go viral? Hook in the first 1.5 seconds. So I just need to go or something like that. So let's try that. As maybe the start of the video. We'll see. So a bad hook is, hi guys, welcome back. I get it. Okay. I mean, it's not freaking radio show. Good hook. This should not have worked. Okay. Well, you tell me what's better. Hi guys, welcome back. This is my channel. I'm Dave. I'm talking about AI and how to use it for noobs like me because I don't really understand it. And I'm going to help you understand it too. Or a good hook might be. So that was a bad hook. Good hook. So this should not have worked. Let's think, how do we channel this shouldn't? 3, 2, 1. This should not have worked, but it has. I'm going to show you why. I'm going to show you why AI is working for me and how it can work for you too. So join me on this AI adventure as we delve deep into the ChatGPTs, Claudes, and all of that kind of stuff of the world to understand how to unlock success in our day-to-day work, in marketing, boom, in this scary, exciting, exhilarating AI age. Boom. Okay, well, we'll try that a bit later and see what happens. Steal. Oh my God. ethically. Steal ethically. Can one steal ethically? Let's see. Search shorts in your niche, sort by recent, look for video. Oh, I see. So basically see how the competitor analysis, that's what's telling me. That's what it's telling me. Okay, cool. Recreate the format, not the clip, not the title, word for word. Fast growth actually happens. They don't ask. Most, okay. Convert by subscribe. Okay, most shorts fail because they don't ask. Okay, we've done this please subscribe nonsense, haven't we? Cool. Subscribe for daily X. Okay, or have it at the end of the screen. People will not subscribe automatically. No shit, Sherlock. Okay. One weekly anchor video, wanker video. No, weekly anchor. Okay, legitimacy. One longer video. Okay, cool. Title, formula. I tried X until happened. Cool. Shorts every day. Okay, cool. Got that. I mean, there's quite a lot here. I'm going to share the link because, frankly, I'm kind of bored. I'm going to read it afterwards. If I'm reading this final, okay, let's get to the final truth. Right. YouTube doesn't reward effort. Boom. We've done that with my other channel. 150 freaking videos and yeah, hardly, you know, okay, fine. We get that. Clarity, repetition, speed. CRS. CRS is the key to YouTube success, apparently. So audit your channel branding, right? Viral short hooks for your niche, build a 30-day content calendar, rewrite your about section conversion. Just tell me what kind of content Clankers and Kings is focused on. I'll get back to you on that. That's going to be potentially my next video. We shall continue this discussion, but for now, over and out, lovely people. And please subscribe. Please subscribe. Because I've got 2 subscribers right now, and one of them is my other channel. So, you know, I haven't even asked my mum to subscribe. I mean, she wouldn't subscribe. She didn't even go on YouTube, but, you know, I'm sure she would if I really asked her and pleaded. But there we go. So that's it for me for now. This is me trying to figure out how to do all these cool things, and I will see you on the next one, you lovely minky monkeys. Toodle pips, toodle pops, toodle peedle peedle. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Stay in the call, and see you next time.